Hey y'all, sprinkle, sprinkle. So today, can you guess what the theme is? I'll give you a hint and a clue. So we're going to be unboxing another Pretty Pickleball Company paddle. Can you guess what princess this paddle is based on? Okay, so let's see, shall we? I love the packaging. It's a storybook and it has like this magnetic closure. Oh, there was a card here. How beautiful. Okay, so Cinderella. This Pretty Pickleball paddle is, of course, Cinderella themed, and she is called the Stroke of Midnight. So this is how she looks. Beautiful, highest quality material. It's so pretty. It has like the little bluebird, little bow, and the spool of thread. This part is pink, and this part is that very pretty Cinderella light blue. And at the bottom of the paddle, it says the Pretty Pickleball Company. And on the back, goodness, put that down. There's a little slipper, a clock, two birds, and a pumpkin. It says, I don't wake up like this. Bluebirds get me ready in the morning. Okay. So I have my little Cinderella choker on, my cute accessories, and now I have my Pretty Pickleball Company Cinderella themed pickleball paddle. So when I'm on the court, I look like a princess. And this is made of the highest quality material. It is US Pickleball approved. So definitely you're getting the highest quality. I really like this one. It goes so cute with all the cute little pickleball outfits that I'm going to create with it. I have a lot of light blues and whites and pinks in my pickleball wardrobe already. So this is perfect. If you guys want one, definitely visit www.theprettypickleballcompany.com and pick up one of the princess paddles. And this one is the Stroke of Midnight. I hope you like it. And if you're just getting into pickleball, what better way to start than with a princess paddle? Sprinkle, sprinkle. I hope that you like it.